Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, do your own personal, you should do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets one after the other, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, the trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital. You can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so so many people have done this before. You too can also do the same thing. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and right from here it started a downtrend which came to an end around there because it was unable to break out below the support zone, and right from there it has started a buy trend, and of course it is still buying at the moment. We just needed to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time. Right now it has not been able to break out above this resistance zone, so it is selling at the moment. Once it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity, of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and of course guys, this had been on downtrend for a while, and of course at the moment it is still okay. Let's wait for that. Selling at the moment. If it's able to break out below this support zone, it's going to sell more, but if not, then definitely it will go back on buy trend. But for now it is still more of a selling opportunity until it change the direction of the market. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been on downtrend for a very long time, but we can see this ranging area. After breaking out above it, it started a buy trend, and of course right now it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be V75, which is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on a downtrend for a very long time, and it's trying to move up to an uptrend after its attempt on this particular support zone, and it has not been able to break out above it. So right now it's trying to go up, and of course we need it to break out above this resistance zone, and of course this will help us to make more profit right from there. But for now it is still buying moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above the resistance zone, except if it breaks out below the support zone. That is when it will continue to sell. Okay, but for now we should be expecting more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with, and everything we have done in today's video have been explained I've been well explained in the video, so all you just need to do is just for you to understand how to go about it, and of course trade with it carefully. And for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into we will be continuing from here in my next video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.